You already know what time it is, man. Back at it again. It's the boy First Jam Block.
And Chef saying, hey, what's going on?
Now today, we got the world famous Big Wheels chicken Alfredo with the jumbo shrimp. There's some on our menu that we have.
Okay, so what's going on, son?
I think let's talk about credit. A lot of people think just because you got a lot of cheese, you could be swiping, doing here, doing this, doing that. You think you good, but you need some credit. Talk about credit. You can't get shit. How you feel about that, Mom?
You can't get nothing at all without good credit, and you gotta have some form of credit on your. Ooh, y'all didn't even tell me I had sauce on my chin. You gotta have some kind of dripping sauce. You gotta have credit in order for you to be able to do things. If you want to purchase a home, if you want to go into business for yourself, they look for you to have credit. No credit is not a good thing. But let me tell you how I got started. When I was 18 or 19 years old, I got my first Discover credit card. I don't know if y'all heard about Discover.
She thought she discovered the motherfucking world.
And when I tell you they gave me a limit of $1,500, they shouldn't have did that with me. Because, baby, when I tell you I discovered everything, I discovered the world. I was going charging, getting televisions.
Swipe, swipe, swipe.
No.
No, I'm saying you were just swiping your card, Ma.
Oh, okay.
Not swiping.
I was
your card.
Okay, thank you. Mine's with my name on it. I was buying TVs. I mean, I was just discovering the world. I was doing everything. And when the bill came, I was like, I ain't paying that shit. And I ain't pay it. I did not pay that at all. My mama didn't tell me about that. We had to pay the shit back. And credit got messed up. So don't do what I did. When you get that credit card, make sure that you pay off what you need, monthly, what you have to pay. Because if not, it will catch up with you. And that's not what you want. You got anything to say, son?
Credit is real important. I was trying to do my thing right here. And I fucked my credit up.
And I tried to tell him. My mother didn't talk to me about credit because she was too busy just trying to live being a single mom. I tried to tell this Dumbo, and he went on out there.
Dumbo?
Yeah, Dumbo. Because when a parent tell you to do something, you don't go and do the opposite of what the hell they done told you to do. I'm trying to help him get his shit together. You know what I'm saying? Give him a fresh start. He ain't fucking listen.
My bad. So how was your Valentine's Day, Sandra?
It was good. It was good.
Did your man say you was, what did he say to you?
I was sexy.
You was who?
Sexy. That's what he said. So after 25 years, I gotta be doing something right. And how was yours?
Oh, it was beautiful.
What was beautiful about it?
I got a nice gift. I took it out. Felt good.
Is it taken or taken?
I got fluid out. No, it's
I think it's taken.
I got took out.
Okay. And what else?
Well, I enjoyed my Valentine's Day.
That's what's up.
So how you feel about that? The man off Power. Now everybody saying shit he did was fake.
First of all, son.
Huh?
Know your fucking movies. It's Empire.
Oh. My Empire, Power. The same shit.
You know what? Here is a brother who was seen in the industry, and he done messed it up for everybody because, they probably going to prosecute him for lying. I mean, some people can get away with doing a stunt before a concert or a record to come out. I'm a little bit disappointed in Jess.
You ain't fucking with him?
But somebody did beat his ass. Now, he did get his ass beat. It probably just wasn't how he was saying, make America great and all that shit.
So he was milking it.
Yeah, but I got something better for you. What's about that shit going on with T.I. and Floyd?
I think T.I. trying to whip his ass. Talking about that Gucci shit.
My thing is this. If Floyd want to support Gucci, that's his business. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. If that's how you feel, that's how you feel. But I think Floyd was trying to call out T.I. T.I. then wrote a song about Floyd. To me, it's just stupid because at the end of the day, it still boils down to T.I. is upset that Floyd tried to either smash his girl or whatever they did.
He fucked Tiny?
I don't know. I'm just saying what I heard in the street.
Oh, no, shit in the street be wrong. Do you got the receipts, man?
I don't have any receipts, but I do follow them. I follow T.I. and I follow Tiny. And if you go on T.I.'s page, he talking about how, he even called out his real friends and shit. And Tiny was sitting on the side. He was like, I don't know what she did with him. And if she did, kick it with him or whatever, that's her prerogative. And she was like, who you talking about, T.I.? He was like, I'm talking about you. You do whatever. Whoop-de-whoop. And
whoop-de-whoop.
She was like, nothing happened, but quit talking about her. But that's what it all boils down to. Still, this situation between what happened with him and Tiny and Floyd.
You know what's crazy? You be thinking these motherfuckers. Every celebrity page. She be on you be on T.I. page, Tiny page.
Hey.
Huh?
Mm-mm.
And you be DMing people.
Don't tell people.
Huh?
Who fucking I follow.
She had DM.
I am family.
You don't even know them.
I'm family.
Family.
I DM for business. I slide into people's DM for business. Now, the only one who DM I slid into was, what's his name? Quincy, because his mom is gone now. And I told him, don't let these old hoes get a hold to him.
Oh, hoes?
That's what I said. Because, he nice looking and shit. And I just told him.
What's wrong with the old hoes?
He don't need all that right now. He need to stay focused with his career. So I stepped in as his mama because his mama is gone now. And that's what he needed.
You don't even know that man. Do you know him?
It don't matter. He needs motherly advice. I'm not trying to holler at him.
I need some motherly advice. What you suggest? You think I should get
You're not rich.
Huh?
Go ahead. Do I suggest you what? Remove those tattoos?
Yeah, how you feel about my tats?
I think that was the stupidest thing he could have did.
Huh? Stupid.
I told you. Sometimes I just look at him when he ain't paying attention. I be like, why the fuck did he do that dumb shit? Go ahead.
So you feel about a nigga? Huh?
I'm just being honest.
That is just so bold. I love my tattoos. I don't care. Makes me unique. What? I don't need to sneak this. That's all I don't know. Back to my question. You think I should talk to old hoes?
I was talking about Quincy.
What about me? I can't talk to no old hoes.
They're not gonna be attracted to you.
Y'all say I'm ugly or something?
I was talking to Quincy.
Oh, cause he rich, he could talk to some old hoes.
I'll advise him not to. Hell, you can barely do with the kids your own age.
Pardon me?
What can you offer a cougar? Other than some beef jerky.
Beef jerky?
The beefcakes. How Jocelyn used to say the beefcake. Beefcake, daddy, beefcake.
Who is you, Jocelyn fucking Hernandez?
What can you offer other than that?
That's all she want.
Mm-mm.
She old.
Mm-mm. She need a little bit more than that.
A little more than some beefcake?
A little bit more than beefcakes.
I don't know.
No, just stick to your own age. Right now, you ain't ready for that. That's the big league. You ain't ready for that.
I'm not ready for the big. How you know I'm ready for it?
I know.
Oh.
You my son. I know. You ain't ready for all that.
I guess.
Just go ahead and do what you're doing now. That's all I'm saying. Mm-hmm.
So these Alfredo dinners, how much do they be?
The Alfredo dinners, $15 for the chicken. I think it's $18 for the shrimp and the chicken. And that's all I do. I don't do the steak right now. I just do the chicken and the shrimp. Y'all go ahead and do a combo with that. That's enough. I mean, I ain't trying to do no lobster and no lamb chops and shit and all that combined right now.
You ain't trying to fuck with all that?
Mm-mm. You know what I do? I stay in my own damn lane.
That's the best thing to do, ain't it?
Stay in my own lane.
I think that's a lot of people's problems. They trying to be in this lane, worry about. As long as you worry about your motherfucking self, you ain't got shit to worry about. Just you.
Mind the business that pays you.
What you say now?
Mind the business that pays you.
Oh, what Cardi B say, Mom?
Cool.
Hey.
I just try to stay in my own lane. I don't look and see what nobody else is doing and be like, oh, I need to do. No, I got to do what works for me I don't let nobody come and run my business for me. If this is what I offer, this is what I offer. Don't come on here talking about something. Well, do you do this? Did I list it?
Period.
Just go by what I offer. Don't let nobody try to change your business and run your business for you.
Don't let nobody try to change your plan because you only know what you want to do.
That's it.
Live for you.
That's it. That's all I can do.
The world would be a much better place if motherfuckers just stay.
Well, I can't worry about the world. I just do me. I just stay in my own lane. I got people, well, do you do this? Do you do that? Did you see it? I just do me.
You be cutting this up like that. Not that you see it.
I ain't trying to be funny. I'm just saying. I just stay in my own lane. I just offer and do what I know that I can do. If I can't do it, I'll let you know that.
That's the best way to
Compare prices. You know, not going to be too expensive for you guys. It's just, I'm just giving you good quality food with love. That's it. What else, son?
Anything you want to say, Leah?
Leah not in this. Don't bring her in here.
I am in here.
Leah's going to be in these videos sooner or later.
Don't do that, Leah, off screen, because I don't want to show the kind of mama I am.
What kind of mama is you?
I'm the kind of show me kind of mama. I don't know if you guys ever had those kind of
are you old school whip that ass or new school whip that ass?
Break it down. I don't know.
Well, you know, old school whip that ass is a little subtle. No. I think new school whip that ass a little subtle. I don't know. I think you old school whip that ass.
I think I'm old school too. I remember. I don't know if she want me to tell that story.
But be quiet. Be quiet.
She all in our business and everything. I remember she got in trouble and I took her out to eat and everything. She ate good.
Okay, about that story.
We went shopping. But then when we got home, I told her, okay, it's time to get that ass whooped. She was like, I thought we was
No, y'all can't
friends.
post it.
I thought we was friends. I said, we are friends, but I'm going to still whoop your ass. But you took me to lunch. You took, yeah, I did. What?
I was
Like she stole something?
I was in like middle school.
I'm a kind of show me kind of mama. That's the best kind of mama to be.
What about when Mitchie got with
Demetrius? Mitchie?
Huh?
What's your fucking name? Wow, that was so long ago. But yeah, he got that. He got that leather.
I got a couple ass whippers.
He got a little leather on that ass.
Ain't nothing wrong with them little ass. Builds character.
It does. It does. It make you strong or it can make you fucking weak.
I'm trying to be fucking weak.
You know, those whoopings be showing you straight love.
You sure? You don't feel like fucking love to me.
Hey, it just is what it is. But
Y'all, Alfredo look good because mine was good.
Oh yeah, Alfredo always bagging up here big whips. You know
I'm so full. We use the jumbo shrimp. See, I don't be playing with y'all. I don't
It's
do
about
those
quality.
little small and little medium. We do jumbo. What's the other one? Sometimes I even do the, what's it, Colosso?
Colosso.
Colosso.
Not Colosso.
I do the Colosso. So, you know, I be bringing it in or bringing the big stuff for y'all. I don't be playing with that little petty, you know, little bitty popcorn shrimp and shit. That ain't how we roll. We don't even do it
So
like
when
that.
y'all started y'all YouTube?
I don't even know what the fuck YouTube is. I don't know what it do.
You do know what YouTube is.
I go on YouTube to get tutorials, but I'm saying I don't know what it is for what y'all talking about.
Oh, we're making our own channel and having our own videos.
Because it look like you the star.
Well, that is true. I mean, I was born a star.
What about me?
I mean, you know, you can ride on my coattail.
Your coattail. This my damn show. I'm talking about your coattail.
My nose run a lot of it. I can wipe my nose. He can ride on my nose run. He can ride on my coattail because I was born a star, but I really don't know.